Good morning. Yeah, I have appointment 8:30. I'm Vera Anegeko. Vera Anegeko. 8:30.
Alright, this squad, I was back home here, but the noise in the background was too much. I was trying to tell you guys like I was back from my appointment, and yeah, I was just so tired. The appointment was not really like I expected, but we thank God.
Hello V Squad, how are you guys doing? It's your girl coming live in the garden today. Very quiet here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. Please excuse my eye bags, okay? Your girl haven't had any sleep because of motherhood, but we have to do it. So right now I'm coming live from the garden. We want to harvest njama. That's vegetables, yeah? Come on, harvest with me. You know, every summer we harvest njama. This is it here. Very fresh. We're going to be harvesting now. Then we'll make some yummy vegetables and eat today. So come on, harvest njama with me. I will talk to you all later. Give this video a thumbs up. To you, my new subscribers, you're welcome, okay? I love you guys so much. Keep subscribing. We are more than 3K subscribers now. Let's keep going. Road to 5K subscribers. Wow, the njama really fresh. Be careful.
No, you don't know what that is.
Okay. Done harvesting njama. Look at this, so fresh. This is actually our third harvest. Look at how good it looks. Going to be cooking it today.